Alright you guys, Tamim from Tamim Tech here, back again with another video for you guys. Right here we have the Apple AirPods Pro. I will be comparing these with the Sony WF-800 SPs. I've been curious about these for a while, and they went on sale for $30 off. Did a price match with Best Buy at Target. 5% on that red card. Not sponsored by Target or anything, so let you know. So we're going to do a little unboxing here. Not really good with the unboxing video, so bear with me. Alright, well that was simple enough. Now let's get the box out of here. I've gotten better with unboxing. I used to tear up everything I unboxed, but no more. So let's see here, we got designed by Apple, California. Some paperwork in here, Flossy Carter style, pluck on the bottom to the side. Here we have the AirPod Pros. Pull this heavy here. Man. Alright. There they are. AirPod Pros. Look nice. I wish it was matte black. You know, I'm kind of like MKBHD. I like everything matte black myself, but it's a nice little white design. I don't think you can get fingerprint smudges on it, but it will catch dirt real quick, or I got a black speck on there. Yeah, these look good. We're going to pair them up in a little bit, see what else we get in the box here. You got your USB-C to Lightning, I see. Wish it was all USB-C, but it's a start. USB-C to Lightning. You get your extra ear tips in here. Extra ear tips. Cool. Yeah, that's about it. So, I'm going to pair these up, show you the pairing process, get these boxes out the way, we'll get right to it. Alright, so if you have a pair of AirPod Pros and the iPhone together, it's the perfect combo because you have Apple's H1 chip that automatically pairs the AirPod Pros as soon as they open up. Where are the AirPod Pros? Here they are next to me on the side. Alright, so as soon as you open these bad boys up, it should automatically detect on the phone that you got a pair open. So let's see. Give it a second. It should detect it. It should be pretty quick. There we go. A little late, but oops, closed it. Kind of just canceled the process. Don't close it, so that way it can connect. Alright, so it tells me that it would like to connect. Gotta keep the case open though. Keep messing this up. Come on, man, get it together. That shows you how the magnetic case, how effective it is. If you lay it down, it will close on its own. So let's connect to these bad boys. Alright, so you got your media control. It tells you how to control the thing. Press once. Noise control, press and hold on either AirPod to switch. Y'all can read on your own. I don't gotta read that to you. Y'all are grown, right? So you can control it from the control center. Noise cancellation, transparency mode, and you can turn it off. What else is it gonna show us? Is that it? Alright, some more animations. Then it names it after your phone. It looks like I got them charged up. I used it earlier today. I had to put forget device so I can show you guys, because I'm reshooting this, not gonna lie. I didn't like how the first tape turned out. So now they're connected to me, the AirPod Pros. Now I'm gonna do a sound quality test in a little bit. First I'm gonna show you guys some things for you. So I'm already in Bluetooth settings, so if you want to do the fit test, go to Tamim's AirPod Pro. Alright, you gotta keep the case open. Gotta get these bad boys out. The animation pops up every time, so now I'm putting both of them in so I can show you. Don't like that right there. See how I pulled it out, went straight to 99%. It looks like the battery's already degrading after day one. Don't know what's up with that, Apple. Maybe a software update will fix the battery efficiency. Who knows? But alright, now that we're connected, let's go to the ear tip fit test. It's gonna test the audio quality and noise cancellation. So we hit continue, we hit play. It's gonna play some sounds left and right to test the seal to make sure it's a good fit. It'll let me know if I don't have one. Looks like we got a good fit. That's good. So I'm gonna get awesome noise cancellation, awesome sound quality. Right here you can choose if you want the noise cancellation on or off. Left to control noise cancellation, you hold it. Right, I want to have some options, so let's go with Siri for the left ear, noise control for the right. So I'm gonna turn on noise canceling and I'm gonna tell you if I hear a difference. Alright, it seems like the whole world just shut off on me. Any ambient noise is now gone. I can tell you for sure that you won't hear any fans for sure. I haven't tested out in public yet, but I'm sure I won't hear cars or anything like that when I have music playing with noise cancellation. I did read online that noise cancellation turned on also adds ambient EQ or smart EQ, which effectively adjusts the EQ according to your ears, the shape of it, and adjusts the bass, mids, and highs in a smart Apple Magic type of way to make sure things sound good. I did notice a subtle difference in sound quality when I had noise cancellation on, but that could just be me. It might be different for everybody else. Transparency mode. Now I can hear myself talk, I can hear the world around me. Turn it off, you only save 30 minutes of battery life. So I would just say either have noise cancellation on or transparency on. Off doesn't really matter that much since it doesn't make significant difference on battery life. Alright, so now I'm going to show you some real world stuff. I'm going to show you me moving my head around, shaking my head, doing some, I'm not going to do push-ups or anything like that. I'll do some jumping jacks or something like that. Show you the comfort of these and just show you how they look. Alright, so let's get to it. I just want to show you guys how the AirPods look in my ear. I do have the ear tips that came out of the box, and I don't know if I'm getting a good seal. I'm going to do a little shake test for you guys. Shake, 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 shake. Try to see if I can dump them out. Nope, they're staying intact. So this is how they look on the right. So it looks on the left. They don't fall out the ear. I might change the ear tips because I feel like I'm not getting a full seal with the ones out of the box. You'll have to test it out. You have to test it out for your own liking to see how you feel about the ear tips it comes with, but I don't know if I like the ones out of the box. I think it's a little too small for me, but I'm gonna switch the ear tips and let you know what I think is best for my ears, but it might be different for yours. Alright, so I tested a bunch of songs, and these actually sound better than I thought they would. I tried my friend's AirPod Pros while I was at the basketball court outside, and they sounded okay compared to my Sony's WF-800 SPs, but these actually sound not too bad. The vocals are very clear, they're crisp, the highs are okay and balanced. The lows aren't overwhelming, but it does have good bass since you do get a good seal on here. But yeah, the sound quality actually kind of impressed me, and they're very comfortable compared to the Sony WF-800s because those are like little big and bulky. If you guys ever had the Bose Soundfree Sport True Wireless headphones, those were big and bulky. Had to sell those. They sounded great, but they were too bulky for my liking. I got the Galaxy Buds Plus. I mean, I had an S20, so it made sense to have that. I'm going to be selling that on eBay for like $90 or something like that. Might as well get the AirPod Pros if I'm going to have an iPhone, you know, so I can get the most out of my product. The Galaxy Buds Plus sound just as good, but these do have a more richer audio sound to it. A little bit better clarity, but overall the sound quality is pretty good. To change to noise canceling, you just gotta hold the ear tip, and now I can't hear anything, can't even hear myself talk right now. Just hold it again to turn it off, then you can hold it again to go back to transparency mode, and it makes this little beep every time you do it. You can do the ear fit test. You just have to go to your settings. I'll show you guys that. Go to your settings, AirPods Pro. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It might be too bright. It's backwards, but you get the gist. Ear fit test is right there. That little blue text. It has automatic ear detection, microphone automatic. You can set it to left or right. You have the controls. You can have the left ear. Hold the left ear to have it control Siri or noise control, which is your noise cancellation, transparency mode. So here's what it looks like when you hit the ear fit test. Let's hit that. hit continue. Then it'll have you play some audio, and then it'll let you know if you have a good test. Right now it's playing audio for me to see if I have a good seal. So now it's telling me I need to adjust the left ear because the seal isn't good. I did try the different ear tips, so maybe I didn't put that in correctly. So in the right ear I'm good, but in the left ear I gotta check that real quick. So I'm going to check the left ear real quick. I'm gonna make sure. Here's how you take the thing off. Hold on. Focus on this. Here's how you take the thing off. Just gotta snap it off. Then it kind of clips back in. So I want to make sure that I have it sealed on here correctly. I'm supposed to hear it click apparently. It's supposed to be easy to put these back on. I had to watch a video to figure out how to take them on and off. So I think I got it. When I first did the fit test, it said I had a good seal on both ears. So we're gonna try that again, a little fit test. So we're gonna try it again, and then we'll see what it says. So now I have a good seal on both, so that's good. But yeah, man, these are pretty good compared to the Sony WF-800s. Compared to the Powerbeats Pro that I had, I don't know. It's kind of hard to say. I do like the noise canceling. I do like you get a better seal on these, so you're blocking out more noise. With the Powerbeats Pro, it does sit on your ear canal instead of going in to make a seal. With that, you do get the outside noise, so if you're jogging outside, the Powerbeats Pro does allow that ambient sound to come in. But if you have it on 80% volume, 75% volume, you probably won't hear anything anyway. But if you do want a good seal with better bass, which will give you better bass, the AirPods Pro do a better job with bass compared to the Powerbeats Pro. The Powerbeats Pro do have bass, but not your typical Beats bass, if you know what I mean, if you've had Beats headphones before. But overall, I do like these. If you take it out, it does stop. You can use one earbud at a time if you want. The AirPod case, you do get a total of 24 hours battery life with the case. I haven't tested the battery life yet with these headphones since I just got them, but you're supposed to get 4.5 to 5 hours with noise canceling on. With it off, you might get a little bit more. I have to test that out, and I'll do a follow-up to let you guys know. But I did do some push-ups and some jumping jacks. These haven't fallen out, but the real test is when I get sweaty at the gym or jogging outside to see if these fall out. My friend did tell me that he did notice his would kind of feel like it's falling out, but will fall out completely. But once I'm in the gym slamming around some weights and slamming my head on the bench and stuff, not like bashing my head on the bench, you know, when you go down on the bench, you kind of just butt your head on it. Then I will find out if these have a good seal or not. But for now, they sound pretty good. Even when I play my YouTube anime music, which is usually the real test for sound quality, it sounds pretty good. Everything's balanced, the vocals are nice. With my Sony WF-800s, you do get a little... The highs crash a lot in the Sonys, and it's kind of unpleasant sometimes. With these, everything's balanced and nice. The price tag right now is $230 at Best Buy. You can price match that at Target like I did. But yeah, overall, I do like these headphones so far. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to be that guy with the AirPods in the ear with douchebag status, because I was one of those people when I had an Android. If you had an AirPod in your ear, I thought you were a douchebag. Oh, how the tables have turned. But no one's a douchebag for having these headphones. They're great headphones. They work phenomenally well. I'm gonna find out they work well for me in the gym and jogging. But so far, I do like them. And then it does announce for text messages to you, by the way. Since it has the Apple H1 chip, it does announce text messages when you get them, which is pretty nifty. I mean, if you have an iPhone, AirPods Pro, Powerbeats Pro, you can't go wrong with those. With the H1 chip, and the connectivity should be pure and simple and simplistic. I mean, with the H1 chip, it does have seamless connection with your Apple Watch, your iPad, your Mac OS, your MacBooks, and the Mac OS, iPad OS software. So I mean, that's pretty cool. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, you cannot go wrong with this or the Powerbeats Pro. Powerbeats Pro is the same price. You get less features, but it does have that secure ear hook. So if these ear tips don't work for you, the large, small, medium, Powerbeats Pro will probably work for you. If not, try the Sony WF-800s. Those are actually great headphones where you can get some booming bass. Pretty good bass. It sounds artificial, but if you want bass, you can go ahead and get those. I'll make another video comparing the two. I'll make another video showing you examples of me jogging with it to let you get a better idea. But until then, like and subscribe to videos and hit that bell icon so you get notified. Alright, peace.